Hello everyone, I'm Shobhita Joshi. I'm sure you are watching my videos on Shobhita Joshi Talks. Please like them and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon so that you keep getting notifications for my videos and you stay connected to them because they are very useful for learners of English as well as for the students of all age groups. So my previous topic was gender. And my topic for today is number. So, what comes to your mind when I say number? One, two, or many more numbers. So, I'll speak out some pair of words. You just pay attention to it and see what is the change in the second word. Tree, trees, box, boxes, ox, oxen, man, men. So, what is the change? S has been added to it. The first word is one and the second word is many. So the first word of each pair denotes one thing and the second word of each pair denotes more than one. A noun that denotes one person or thing is said to be in the singular number. For example, boy, girl, cow, desk, pen, tree. A noun that denotes more than one person or thing is said to be in the plural number. For example, boys, girls, cows, trees, books, pens. So now S has been added to the singular number to make it plural. So now I will tell you how plurals are formed. The plural of nouns is generally formed by adding S to the singular number. Boy, boys. So S has been added and it becomes a plural. Pen, pens. S has been added. Girl, girls. S has been added. But nouns ending in S, SH, CH form the plural by adding ES to the singular number. Say class, it's ending with double S. So classes, ES has been added. Brush is ending with SH, ES has been added to make it a plural form, brushes. Branch, it is ending with CH, ES has been added to make it into a plural form, branches. So most nouns ending in O also form plural by adding es to the singular number. Like buffalo, it's adding with O, buffaloes. Es has been added. Potato, ending with O, es has been added to make it potatoes. Mango, mangoes. Es has been added. And a few nouns ending with O, just add S to make it a plural number. Dynamo, dynamos. Canto, cantos. Only S has been added. Piano, pianos. So nouns ending in Y form their plural by changing Y into I and adding ES. For example, baby. So now this Y is removed. I is put ES. Babies to make a plural form. And army, ARMY. Army, Y is removed. I is added and ES is added to make it into a plural form. And lady, ladies. Story, stories. Y is removed, I is added and ES is there. And that some nouns ending in F or FE form their plurals by changing F or FE into V. Like thief. It is now the plural form is thieves. Now F is replaced by V. Thieves. Life, lives. Loaf, loaves. Sheaf, sheaves. And the noun, some noun they add S. Dwarf, dwarfs. They don't put, they add ES. They remove F and they add ES. Dwarf, dwarves. Wharf, wharfs. And in some other words ending in F or FE, we add S, like chief, chiefs, gulf, gulfs, safe, safes. a few nouns, they change their change the inside vowel of the singular to form the plural. So now what is a vowel? A, I, E, O, U. These are the vowels, and I will do the video on the vowels in detail later. And some, they change the vowel and they add, like say for example man, this vowel A is changed and the plural is men. A is replaced by E, men. And goose, geese. O, vowel O is replaced by E, goose. Woman, women. Mouse, mice. Louse, lice. So there are a few nouns that change their form. They form the plural by adding en to the singular number. Ox, oxen. Child, children. And the plural of fish the plural of fish is fish or fishes. In current English, fish is the usual plural. Fishes is sometimes used when we talk about different kinds of fish. Some nouns have their singular and plural alike. For example, fish, swine, sheep, deer, salmon, aircraft, spacecraft, series, species, pair, dozen, etc., etc. So these were the number. I hope you understood that what are the numbers, singular and plural. When we talk about one thing, that is singular number, and when we talk about many, that is plural. And there are different ways to form plurals of singular numbers. If you have not understood, put it in the comment section. I will do it again for you in more details, and I'm sure it's very easy. It's very easy and very easy to follow. I think I'm speaking not very tough English. It's very simple English I'm speaking, and not very fast I'm going. So please stay connected to my videos to learn more. Be safe and enjoy yourself. Goodbye. See you in my next video. Have a nice time.